Hi, welcome back to Esmeralees Creation, and we are back. Thank you for being with us, and we apologize for the late video. We moved to another city, and we are still dealing with our moving arrangement in the house, so we apologize for that. And we are going to be unboxing the June 2022 Bargain Bead Box subscription. And let's start. Always having problems opening this. I'm sorry for that. And we are finally. Always well packed. It comes in the box. This time the chiffon bag is white or cream color, and I can see that that's pretty much the main colors over here. I'm going to put it in order like always, and we will be right back.
The June 2022 Bargain Bead Box theme is Solstice Warmth, and the description reads as follows. Summer-ready tones of orange, cream, and red blend with high-quality golden findings in this month's collection. Warm gemstones are our focus this month, with carnelian, sardonyx, and druzy agate beads, crackled agate drops, and the carnelian teardrop pendant. Accents include freshwater pearl links, sparkling crystal, colorful glass, and a fun resin druzy pendant. Simple but high-end findings include hypoallergenic stainless steel and 18-karat gold-plated copper and brass.
And the first item is?
And number one on the list is 3 10 by 7 millimeter 18-karat gold-plated brass spring rings.
And this is the first time we have these on the box. It is so pretty, very simple, very nice. It is like the normal common clasps that used to come in every jewelry before. And number two is?
Number 2, 10 17 by 18 millimeter stainless steel fishhook ear wires.
They're very nice. It's the simple ear wire, the ones that come normally used. It's very nice. And number 3 is?
Number 3 on the list, 36 millimeter 18-karat gold-plated stainless steel jump rings.
Very nice too. Very useful. Very nice to have them. I think the most that we use is the number 4, which is the little tiny one, but that's very useful too. And number 4 is?
So number 4 is 10 freshwater pearl and stainless steel links.
Wow, this is so pretty. Look at the shape of it. It's very nice. Very pretty. You can use them for necklaces, earrings, for the bracelet. It is very nice to have. And they never go out of style. The pearls are like beautiful. And number 5 is?
Number 5, an approximate 15-inch strand of 8 millimeter round glass beads, alabaster magma in color.
Wow, the color is stunning. I love the way it looks. It's like orange and yellows and a little bit of cream. It is so beautiful, so nice. Can't wait to do something with it. And number 6 is?
Number 6, 55.5 millimeter gold finish pewter daisy spacers.
Very tiny and very beautiful. They're very nice to use in like a small setting like this ones over here. Like in between, they look amazing. The metal is well made. The designs are beautiful and I love the color. And number 7 is
Number 7, 29 by 7 millimeter half matte glass cylinder bead, apricot shimmer.
look at that. I love it. It's a two-tone bead. Like it's like clear in the center and it's like a matte finish at the end. And it's so pretty. It is like a medium size and it's beautiful. Like always, they give you enough. Like if you want to make a simple bracelet or if you wanted to add it to the necklace of your new creation. It is pretty. Number 8 is
Number 8, approximately 15 inches of 6 millimeter carnelian round beads.
wow. The colors are beautiful. Look at this combination. They are stunning. I love it. They look so rich. The colors are beautiful. And the amounts are decent. Like if you want to make a choker, this is the amount of the choker. Like approximately 16 inches, 14 inches. It is so nice. And number 9 is?
Number 9, 28 by 6 millimeter faceted crystal fancy rondelle beads, bisque.
Wow. They're nice. The color is beautiful. It's very, very, very classy, very fine. I love it. And the shine is so shiny. Very, very sparkling. I love it. It is a very nice combination too with this one, with all of them. But you know, you can create different things with it. It is amazing. I cannot wait. And number 10 is?
Number 10, 1 meter of 3 by 2 millimeter stainless steel jewelry chain.
Wow, look at that. It's a very tiny, tiny chain. Like the links are very tiny, but very pretty and very well made. They always give you a good amount, so you can have maybe 2, or what depends on your creation, you can have like 3 necklaces or earrings, or what depends on what you want to create. It is so pretty. And number 11 is?
Number 11, 2 19 and a half by 17 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass chandelier findings.
Wow, look at these. They're so beautiful. Look at that. Look at the design. I cannot wait to use them. You can use them to be the agent of the necklaces, like that, like so. Or you can use them to be earrings, or even for the ends of the bracelet. You can use it like over here, or maybe you can use like one in the center and then use this ones at the rest of the necklace. The designs are endless. You know, you can do a lot of things with it. I love them. Can't wait. Number 12.
Number 12, an approximate 8-inch strand of 8 millimeter sardonyx round beads.
Look at the colors. They have such a good eye for combination of colors. Love it. Look at that. Very nice for a very simple necklace, bracelet, or you can use it for a necklace. The designs are endless. It's so beautiful. I love the combination. They're like transparent, but they have some design into it and look amazing. Beautiful. Love them. Number 13.
Number 13, an approximate 7.5-inch strand of 10mm matte electroplated druzy agate beads.
Look at this ones. Oh my God, look at that. Nelson, can you focus on that?
Yeah, give me a second.
Look at that. They are beautiful. Look at that. They are amazing. The design, it is stunning. The sparkles that they put into it is amazing. And the color combination, oh my God. I'm telling you, it is so beautiful. Cannot wait. Can't wait. The 14.
Number 14, two 18 through 21mm agate and 18-karat gold-plated copper drops.
They're very nice. They're pretty. They're different though. The designs are different, so you're not gonna be able to use them as earring drops, but you can use it as a pendant, different design, or a pendant for a bracelet, or a pendant for a necklace. Yeah, unfortunately they're not the same, so you cannot use it as a drop for the earrings. But they're really, really pretty. The designs are beautiful. I love the colors too. Number 15.
Number 15, 51 by 23mm resin druzy style geode slice pendant, warm peach in color.
Wow. Look how beautiful. This is the back. Well, you can use it for the back of the front. It depends on what your taste is and what you envision for your design. This is like flat finish, and this is like, for me, this will be the front. I love the rough edges and the design, the sparkle and inside. It is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Love it. Number 16.
Number 16, an approximate 12-inch strand of 4mm crystal faceted round beads, lavender in color.
Look at how sparkly they are. They are very sparkly. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I love the small beads too, because you can create and design very beautiful things. You can do it with the spacers and do like a simple bracelet. It is so nice. Can wait. And number 17.
Number 17, an approximate 30 by 24mm carnelian teardrop pendant.
And it is beautiful. Look at that. It has the little hole over there, so you can use it for the pendant. With this ones, you have the option too that you can add some wire to it and make a design for it too, and make it a little more sophisticated, or you can use this as is and add some like drop-in beads or a design. You can do a lot of things with it, or you can use it just as simple as it is and use it as a pendant. If you want like a simple necklace, very, very simple. But pretty. It's dependent on what you envision and design.
Once again, this is everything from the June 2022 Bargain Bead Box. Don't go away, because after the shoutouts, we will show a few of our creations, so stick around. I wanted to take this time to say that we are grateful and really appreciate you all for subscribing to our channel and bringing our total subscriber count to 290. And today we want to send a shout out to Project Pastel, Emily D'Anton, Najla Kesau, Holly Moni, Cami Macaulay Jawanier, Byron B, Katsy Golf, Amal Al Sherry, Crystalline Designs, Nana Mom MD, Big Boy Lyric, Nakia Little, and Yulia Pelivanov. Thank you all for your support. I know this video is late, but we still want to say Happy Father's Day to all the fathers and all the moms who have to be dads as well. Don't forget to click that thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, share our videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.